Hey everybody, welcome back to Jack's Meat Shack. Today, super simple recipe for you. Chicken hearts marinated in some of my cowboy coffee, no added sugar rub. First thing we're gonna do is take the chicken hearts out of their packaging and just put them on a little bit of kitchen towel just to take away some of that excess moisture that's formed while they've been in storage. So I'm just gently taking each heart, rolling them on the kitchen towel to get rid of that moisture, because what we're going to do in a minute is put them in a bowl with a tablespoon of good quality extra virgin olive oil and a tablespoon of my coffee rub. Next step is to get your rub. In this case, I'm using my no added sugar cowboy coffee rub, and we're going to put a big tablespoon over the chicken hearts and then a tablespoon of olive oil to create a kind of paste, and then we're just going to mix the hearts around in that paste. To cook the hearts, we're going to put them onto kebab sticks and then we're going to grill them over charcoal on the Weber Smoky Joe. These are only little hearts. I'm not going to fire up a massive barbecue just to cook these 2 kebab skewers for the chicken hearts. So a smaller barbecue will suffice. You want your coals to be nice and hot, want a nice char on the outside of these hearts, and we're going to cook them until they reach an internal temperature of 74 degrees Celsius. Couple of minutes in now, and what we're going to do is just turn the hearts over so they get a nice char on the other side of the meat. As you can see, they're crisping up nicely. The rub is not burning because we put a little bit of olive oil with it. These are looking pretty good. And just for some fun, we're going to flambe them with a little bit of honey Jack Daniels, just to give them a little bit of whiskey sweetness. And they're done. I've served them with some sesame seeds, finely sliced, spring onions, and a drizzle of sriracha mayonnaise.